Hey there, Will here over at XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So this video I'm just basically going to explain to you how I use my price action method and my trading system to analyze the best times to enter and exit the market. So I'm more or less focused myself on price action trading, but I have built a system which is more or less built on price action signals. But it gives me signals, arrows when they enter and exit the markets, and it also gives me alert when I could be having a signal happening. So you can see I've just had a sell signal here, or sorry, a buy signal on the CAD Swiss franc. So I'm just going to head over to the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc. But it looks like I don't have it on the chart. So new chart, CAD Swiss franc. Okay, and we'll just load the template. You can see day trade, and there we go. Okay, so got a signal here. It's looking like a good price action signal. So I'm just going to let's see what's happened, whereabouts in the chart it is at the minute. But I can see a small area. Let's just look at the 4-hour chart first. Okay, now okay, so I can see this. This was your huge move down last week. We had this leg up. So there's an area here in the chart that caused this more or less. So you can see price came down, slowed down, then rallied up and made this new high. Okay, this is really the area where that move started. So looking at this for a signal, it is looking good. See, we're deep in this 4-hour zone. Now to understand what I talk about in zones, you can head over to the link below in the description area and try out my course over at Udemy, where you will get this indicator down here, and you will get my ebook also. So we have this zone within the zone. We actually got a better signal down here, but this is also a good signal. So what we then do, we then analyze where can we place our stop loss. So looking at this, I would place the stop loss either, where's my target? My target is going to be up here, the first. Here, you can see this first easy target is at 73,700. So we've got a 70 pip move up there, 75 pips to this target easy. First one. Why? Because this here, you can see price stopped. Then this price caught this here, or this pause in the market caused this new low down into this zone here. So what then I will do is I'll zoom into the 1-hour chart, get the signal, getting any signal in the 15-minute, got a better signal there, divergent signal in the 15-minute, and this looks like a good trade. So what I'll then do, I'll head over to my live account. Over at my live account, the trade we're looking at now is this trade on the CAD Swiss franc. So what I'll do, you can see this is a live account. What I'll do is I'll simply place the trade, 0.93, and I will put my stop loss under this low here. Not under here, but under here. Okay, my easy target will be for the zone here, and that's the trade I've just placed in front of you. So what I'll do then, I'll just watch price action as it comes up into this area. If it's speeding up or is it slowing down, if it's speeding up, I will likely target a higher zone, which we could target away up here. Target this last high. I was looking at the 4-hour chart here. We can see rallied up. This could be a good turning point to push higher. So that's the trade. I incorporate price action into using my day trader system, taking the trade live, and we will just watch this. I'll actually post a video after the trade's complete and see how it ended up. So thanks for watching. Well over to XAUUSD.com. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel just by clicking the button in the right hand corner of the screen. So I see you soon. Well over to FXAUS.